Oh, gusto ko.
I'm good at cartoon portraits. Like, yeah, but it's my own version of how you look if you were a cartoon. But it's kind of realistic. It's not portrait. I can't. It's too many. Yeah. It's too too many lines if it's space. And I suck at drawing eyes, like proper eyes. And eyes is like very important when you draw. Mine is probably scripts. Or that's why I have a lot of scripts.
I bet you're good at lettering big time, huh?
I just like drawing whatever I feel, whatever I see in my head, and I draw it.
Siya lang
Oo nga, yun nga sinabi niya eh.
tapos pinadraw niya sa kaibigan niya. Pero
Galing.
sa kanya tong idea.
Peace sign.
Pwede ka mag-doing dyan isang picture.
I don't know. I think because that one's only the paper, only for sketch lang.
Pwede ka dyan isa dyan.
My idea for my portrait, for my artwork,
For my
for a painting.
Hindi
Not
pwede.
for.
Hindi, pwede ka mag-doing.
Yeah, because it's
Sample yung picture. Di ka pwede mag-doing sample picture na. Bawal.
Because it's for a task. If it's for fun, okay then. I don't want Kuya to get angry for not following the rules.
Naintindihan kita.
Kasi pag tinanggal mo yun,
Ako, gusto kong mag-drawing
Ask Kuya if you can do a drawing task.
isang picture lang. Kahit mag-doing isang picture.
I'm not used to when she's quiet.
Yeah, you're so weird.
Say something.
You always
Lagi base ka ng lamento sa akin ako gusto yung ano yun. She's quiet.
Anong yari?
We're not used to it.
Anong yari?
Kanta muna pare dyan eh.
Ha?
Kanta muna. Salamat.
Hi, I'm Joseph Bigel from Marinduque. This is issue time. Rap. Salamat sa mga panahon binigay mo. Salamat sa mga nagulo kong mundo. Salamat sa mga... Basta matupad ang pangarap mo. Di balik kung masaktan ako. Dahil sa amin na mahal kita. Dahil sa amin... Next. Yo! Next.
Yo.
What's your talent, Seth?
Dance daw.
Hold
Hold on.
Okay.
Baka mabali yung dobo.
singing.
What, singing,
Well, maybe, I don't know. What was my talent?
Talent jump. Yeah, jump.
Can you something, you know?
Jump with
jump.
5 kilos. With 5 sack of rice. Kaya?
Try mo.
Yeah.
Ka nga.
Ako ang mag-rap.
You know how to do that?
Hey!
Yeah.
Sample.
What do you want to do?
Kahit anong klaseng beatbox.
Ay,
Kuya.
flow ka.
Oo! Yan ang gusto ko.
Dali, simulan